Hi, it's John again, and welcome to another unboxing video. This came through the door today. I think I know where it comes from, so I think I know what it is. So I've just opened the top, and so let's find out what's inside. So, right, RF cable, unpacked well. Here we go. So, let's see if we can find the end. Let me go and get a set of scissors. Right, got a set of scissors. So here we go. Put it gently. There we go. One Commodore 64 Aldi. Been after one of these for a while. These machines were made specifically to go into the Aldi shops. So, and the differences it was the same colour case, but with the white keyboard. And the white keyboard looks like it comes from a Commodore 64C, but with the legend in a different place. So, I presume this is going to be the power supply. As you can see, he's well wrapped it. Yeah, very clean. So we have a Commodore 64 Aldi, and I've been after one of these for a while, and my Commodore buddy, who is eBayer Mark Commodore Sales, has managed to get me one and asked me if I wanted it, and of course I said yes. It's very nice. Let's zoom back out again. Whoops, wrong way. There we go. Very nice machine. Made in the USA. Specifically for the Aldi shops. It's very clean, it's very nice. So I've let this warm up because it was absolutely freezing when it came from the deliverers, and we'll put it under the diagnostic system and see how it is. But first, I just want to show you this. So I've now got the Aldi. I already had the 64C and the original 64. So as you can see, let's just turn the camera around a bit. It's almost the same colour as the original 64, white keyboard. And so now I have got 4 different varieties of the Commodore 64, because I have one that you couldn't buy in the shops, which I opened up earlier, which is the black one. So what I'm going to do next is we're going to get that plugged into the TV and see how it performs. I'll see you in a minute. Right, as you can see, I've got the 64 Aldi plugged into the TV, so I'll switch her on and see what how she looks. There we go. Now that's a very nice picture, really nice picture. Cool. Cool. Right, so we'll put the diagnostic cartridge in and see what it comes up with. So we're going to put the 64 Doctor diagnostic cartridge into the machine. So here we go. I've turned her off. And then we'll put the loop backs in. So this is the serial port loop back. And we'll put the user port loop back on. There we go. Right, let's switch her on. See what happens. Right then. Let's work his way through the keys. Looks like we're doing all right. Cool. Excellent. I haven't got joystick plugged in, so we'll move on to the next one. Excellent. So as you can see, everything is working. There's only a little bit of colour bleeding, but it's very nice. Well, thank you, Mark. I'll put a link into your eBay page on the description. Thank you for helping me out getting one of these. And I'll see you on the next one. See you later. Bye.